Hi everyone, and welcome to week 3 of our course. I'm really excited because we're past the introductory material on reading and writing, and now we're getting into our first unit on fiction. So week 3, we have a few things happening. In terms of tasks that you need to complete, you'll have your reading assignments and the quiz that goes along with them. Hopefully you're finding that annotating is helping you to be able to find the answers more quickly and remember things. Reviewing your annotations right before you take the quiz can be really helpful. The other thing is make sure you use both chances. If you don't get a perfect score and you want to try again, give it another shot. Make sure you review this page. It tries to break down incorporating quotations into your writing. And I just used the image of the sandwich to help you see how you can break that down and include writing. There is a class discussion this week on the story The Yellow Wallpaper, which you'll read. So this will sort of be a jumping board for an essay that will begin this week as well. So we can get all our ideas out here, brainstorm with each other, and then the one major assignment for the week, besides the quiz and the discussion, is an outline and rough draft of a response essay. Now our book does cover response essay and summary writing, so you can review those things, but let me know if you have any questions. Know that for this week, we're just going to do 2 parts. So the only thing you need to do for this week is do a little bit of reading, create an informal outline, turn the outline into a rough draft of a minimum of 1.5 pages. Remember, that's double spaced with MLA format, and then you'll submit the outline and the rough draft in a single document. Now, if those are complete, and we can look down here at the rubric for the grading criteria, you'll get 10 out of 10 for submitting this assignment. Then I'll give you feedback, and you'll be able to revise, edit, and polish next week and resubmit it, and that one will be worth more of a grade. More points, and I'll be grading that one on the content and quality instead of, did you include everything you needed to include. Alright, let me go back to modules. So again, to review, we have the quiz, the discussion, and the outline rough draft of the response essay this week. Make sure that you check in with the description so you know kind of what you're doing and you know the goals for this week. And please let me know if you have any questions at all. Have a good one.